Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best car head-up display in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best car head-up display in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. KGDHjuei Car HUD Head-Up Display P6, your smarter driving companion. Upgrade your driving experience with the KGDHjuei Car HUD Head-Up Display P6, a cutting-edge smart gauge designed for modern drivers. Compatible with most cars, this sleek black device combines OBD and GPS technology to project essential driving information directly onto your windshield. Say goodbye to distractions and keep your eyes on the road while accessing real-time data like speed, RPM, fuel consumption, water temperature, and more. The P6 features a user-friendly interface, easy installation, and automatic brightness adjustment for optimal visibility day or night. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any vehicle interior. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this HUD enhances safety and convenience by putting critical information right in your line of sight. Drive smarter, safer, and in style with the KGDHjuei Car HUD Head-Up Display P6, the ultimate gadget for tech-savvy drivers. Number 2. The Yoin P4 OBD++ LCD instrument display is a cutting-edge automotive head-up display designed to enhance your driving experience. This advanced device offers a range of features, including a GPS tachometer, turbo boost gauge, ramp gauge, and accelerometer, providing real-time data to keep you informed and in control. With its sleek tech vision design and phantom-inspired aesthetics, the P4 seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's interior, offering both functionality and style. The head-up display projects essential information directly onto your windshield, ensuring you stay focused on the road while accessing critical metrics like speed, RPM, and turbo pressure. Easy to install and compatible with most OBD2-enabled vehicles, the Yoin P4 is perfect for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Elevate your driving experience with this innovative tool that combines performance, precision, and modern technology in one compact device. Number 3. OBD2 Heads-Up Display for Car. Revolutionize your driving experience. Upgrade your driving experience with the advanced OBD2 Heads-Up Display, HUD, a cutting-edge dual-system speedometer that combines OBD2 and GPS technology to deliver precise, real-time data. This innovative HUD projects essential driving information, such as speed, mph, kmh, RPM, fuel consumption, and engine diagnostics, directly onto your windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. The dual-system functionality ensures accuracy, switching seamlessly between OBD2 and GPS for reliable speed tracking in any condition. Additionally, the built-in car inclinometer provides tilt and roll angles, making it perfect for off-road adventures or monitoring vehicle stability. Easy to install and compatible with most OBD2-enabled vehicles, this digital speedometer offers a sleek, customizable display with adjustable brightness for day or night use. Stay informed, enhance safety, and enjoy a futuristic driving experience with the OBD2 heads-up display. Drive smarter, drive safer. Number 4. The Accelerometer Digital GPS Speedometer is a versatile and advanced car accessory designed to enhance your driving experience. This universal head-up display, HUD, projects essential driving information directly onto your windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. It features real-time speed monitoring in mph, a compass for direction guidance, and a fatigue driving reminder to ensure safer journeys. Additionally, it tracks driving distance, altitude, and provides overspeed alerts to help you stay within legal speed limits. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, the Accelerometer speedometer offers a clear, customizable display that reduces distractions and improves focus. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it a must-have for modern drivers seeking convenience and safety. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road terrains, this device ensures you stay informed and in control. Upgrade your driving experience with the Accelerometer Digital GPS Speedometer, the perfect blend of technology and practicality. Number 5. The G20 new GPS speedometer car HUD head-up display is a cutting-edge, universal digital speed gauge designed to enhance your driving experience across various vehicles. Compatible with cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, SUVs, pickups, scooters, and even golf carts, this innovative device projects real-time speed data directly onto your windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Powered by GPS technology, it provides accurate speed readings in mph or km/h, ensuring precision and reliability. The sleek, compact design is easy to install and fits seamlessly into any vehicle interior. With adjustable brightness and a clear display, it ensures optimal visibility in all lighting conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails, the G20 HUD speedometer offers a safer, more convenient way to monitor your speed. Upgrade your ride with this versatile, high-tech gadget and enjoy a smarter, safer driving experience.